This entitled driver thinks he owns the road, but he is about to get a dose of instant karma. He was trying to cheat traffic by speeding down the shoulder, but the truck driver stood his ground and refused to let him cut in. When the lane ran out, the SUV driver forced his way over and angrily slammed on his brakes to be a bully, which only resulted in his own taillight getting smashed. He actually had the nerve to jump out and scream at the trucker for the accident, but thanks to this dash cam footage, the police saw the truth and the angry road rager was left with a broken car and a fine.